Hello, and welcome back to another mini lesson. This mini lesson is going to be total review. Reviewing some of those topics that give even advanced learners a difficult time. But if you are a new learner to English, these will be some of the most basic topics. And the English subtitles for this video will be completely accurate. And the 4 sentences that we are going to look at today originally come from an English book that I found on the internet, originally published in Portuguese, I think. Let's take a look at that first sentence. His boots is black. And the struggle here is the verb to be. In English, that verb is irregular, changes quite a bit. And we need our verbs to agree with our subjects. The subject of this sentence is boots. His boots. His boots are black, not our. They sound very similar. His boots are black. Our boots are black. If you're watching the subtitles, might help because those 2 words sound so similar. And while I'm thinking of it, I saw a great video this morning from Bob the Canadian. He goes over confusing words in English. Words like bored versus boring, or shade versus shadow. Very similar words, but very different. I'll put a link up there in case you're curious. His is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns show ownership. It shows that some male, he, owns those boots, so they are his boots. The next sentence is, I need an new car. So the problem is it should be a. If you don't know when to use a and an article, we call it an indefinite article because it doesn't say exactly which car it is. It's not the car. So you want to say a new car. If the word coming after the a or the an is a vowel, you want to use an. So like we could say an orange car. Since orange starts with a vowel, we need to say an. Here's a weird thing though. For hour, remember we talked about hour before. There are 2 different hours. Hour, and I hope you're watching these subtitles because it can be difficult. Our can be a personal pronoun, a possessive pronoun, meaning our car. But hour may also mean 60 minutes. That has an H. It's not a vowel, but you would say, I need to leave in an hour. I need to leave in an hour. A little weird, I know. Number 3, if you've been learning English for any amount of time, black flies, this will not sound right to you at the beginning. Their office is small. Their office is small. Yeah, you just want to get rid of the. And if you have a possessive pronoun like their, it's not yours, it's theirs. You don't need a definite article like the. And number 4, he has a curly hair. That could be a grammatically correct sentence. If he has only one curly hair on his head, that's actually correct. But I think what that sentence is saying is that he has curly hair. His hair is curly. And for that, it's a little weird, I know, but the plural for hair on your head is simply hair. He has curly hair. She has black hair. She has long hair. I tried to make this video as basic as possible, but sometimes those terms like possessive pronouns and indefinite articles can be pretty tough. If you're looking for more English today, check out that video. That is a listening comprehension practice that I made a few weeks ago about objects in the kitchen. And below that is a video I also made a couple weeks ago, and that is where I answer some subscribers' questions. Questions like, how do American roads work? Or how does the tip at the end of the meal in the United States work? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.